Jamaica College is represented by Ryoma Muir, Mason J. Edwards, Marvin White, and Jamarley Banton. St. Mary's College is represented by Candice Brown, Tremaine Green, Shaquille Herman, and Daniela Minot. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to Round 2 action in TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2026. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Jamaica College won. They decided to send St. Mary's first. And so we begin with St. Mary's College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. St. Mary's, we begin with art. Which Jamaican artist painted Birthday Drive, which is housed at the National Gallery of Jamaica?
So this is Carl, Birthday Drive. Carl Abrahams.
Carl Abrahams.
Correct. Jamaica College art. Which Jamaican artist painted Crop Time?
Albert Huey.
Albert Huey. Albert Huey.
Correct. International Affairs for St. Mary's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Come. Philip J. Pierre.
Philip J. Pierre.
Incorrect. Wes Moore, Governor of the U.S. state of Maryland. International Affairs for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Zoran Mamdani.
Zoran Mamdani.
Zoran Mamdani.
Correct. And he's the mayor of New York City. Bible knowledge. This is St. Mary's College. Who was the grandson of Boaz and Ruth?
Boaz and Ruth. Say Obed and Jesse. So we're going to say Jesse.
Jesse.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Jamaica College. Who was the father of Abraham's nephew, Lot?
Haran.
Correct. And biology for St. Mary's. What is the name of the process by which white blood cells engulf pathogens in the human body?
Phagocytosis.
Correct. Biology for Jamaica College. What is the name of the specific enzyme that digests starch in the small intestines of humans?
Starch in the small intestines. Amylase.
Amylase.
Incomplete. Pancreatic amylase. Specific. Music for St. Mary's. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
So we're going to say Shantae.
Shante.
Incorrect. Carrie Underwood. Music for Jamaica College. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
All you'd ever hear me say is how I picture me with you. That's all you'd ever hear.
Fergie.
Good Fergie.
Fergie.
Incorrect. Kelly Clarkson. English language for St. Mary's. Spell psychosis.
Psychosis. So this is Psychosis.
Correct. English language for Jamaica College. Spell physiology.
Physiology.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for St. Mary's. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
William Michelle Carl.
Michelle Carl.
Incorrect. Jamie Lee Curtis. And theatre and cinema for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Yeah, man.
Michelle Yeoh.
Michelle
Yeoh. Michelle Yeoh.
Correct. General knowledge for St. Mary's. Which Danish physicist gave his name to the unit of frequency equal to 1 cycle per second?
Frequency. So we're going to say Heinrich Hertz.
Heinrich Hertz.
Correct. General knowledge for Jamaica College. Which country is home to the ancient city of Petra, carved into rose red rock?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Correct. Sports for St. Mary's. Look at the... All right, that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores, Jamaica College on 6, St. Mary's College on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 57 returns after these messages.